Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So a couple of months ago, I let you know that in the nightly version of Mozilla Firefox, which is an early preview version, Mozilla started testing a new built-in tab note feature in Firefox Nightly. So if we right-click on a tab, here you get Add Note, and you can add any little text note to that tab. And you can save it, and if you hover over or click on the tab, you can see there's my note. Now, this feature is not available as yet in the stable version as a default feature, but recently with the rollout of Firefox version 148, which rolled out late yesterday in my region, I posted on that earlier today. I'll leave the video linked for 148 down below and in the end screen if you'd like more information. The experimental flag in About Config that you can use to enable the feature is now working in the latest stable version of Firefox. So if this is a feature you'd like to enable before it becomes a default feature, then just a quick video to show you how you can go about that. So if you are comfortable to fiddle with experimental features, what we would do in the stable version of Firefox 148 is head to our address bar and enter about : config. So that's about : config. We are dealing with experimental features, so accept the risk and continue. And then all you do in the search is you type in notes. And here's the flag we are looking for: browser.tabs.notes.enabled. And here you'll see the default value is false. We need to change that to true to enable the flag. So we will just click on the toggle to the right-hand side. That's changed to true. And now you'll see, if I head back to my open tab and I right-click, we now have Add Note. Click on that. And obviously you can add any text note to that tab. I'm just using a couple of A's just as a quick example for this video. And then you can save that. And then you'll see you've got your little note symbol. And if you hover over your tab, there's my note. Or you can also click on your tab. And if you right-click, you'll see Update Note. So you can edit your note. And you can also delete that note if so required. Now, the nice thing about this note-taking feature is even if I close Firefox down and I relaunch the stable 148 and I head back to the same website where I applied that note, you will see there's my note. If I hover over it, there's my note, and I can, as mentioned, update note, edit, and delete note. So, handy feature if you are doing a lot of research and browsing and you just want to maybe jot down one or two things regarding research or whatever regarding a website or a web page. So, nice to see that that flag is working. And obviously, if you want to remove the feature completely, you would just head back to the same flag and just change that value from true back to false. And if you do apply the flag and the option is still grayed out or it's not working, I would then suggest closing and then restarting the browser. But for me, I don't have to do that. It works without a browser restart. So Firefox tab notes is now available in stable 148 by applying that flag if you so wish. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.